Need to know how to change your profile banner on Twitch? I'm going to show you how. Let's go. Hey, it's me, it's Wild, coming at you with another Twitch quick tip video that I'm going to show you how to change your profile banner on your Twitch profile account. It's actually really quite easy to do, so let's go over to the computer. Once you're logged into Twitch, go to the top right corner and tick down all the options. Near the bottom, you'll see settings. Go ahead and click on that. Once the page is loaded, scroll down just a little bit and there you'll see the profile banner section. To make any change to your profile banner, it's quite simple. Simply click on the update button. Now, just for a side note here, please take into consideration that it's 1200 by 380 pixels with a max of 10 megabytes, and it can only accept a file format of a JPEG, PNG, or a GIF or GIF, depending on how you guys like to say it. So make sure you take notes of that because you may have to crush down your picture if it's a very large file size. Now with our new image uploaded, all we have to do is just go to our own Twitch channel, and at the top, if we tick over the settings that has our profile picture, you'll notice that the window will expand, and this is where you can view your banner information and image or graphic or whatever you loaded there. Now for another quick bro note, now the banner section is not the best dynamic or best responsive. You know, it has a bunch of different aspect ratios it has to be viewed upon depending if you're watching on a TV, desktop, or any mobile device. And you'll notice if you see on the desktop there that it is more left heavy adjacent compared to anything else depending on how it's responding when people view it. So you may want to put a lot of your information on the left hand side, but again, it's completely up to you. If you look on a mobile device, you'll see that it's actually very well balanced. So again, it's completely up to you on how you want to design your profile banner. Now, when it comes to ideas for your Twitch profile banner, kind of have fun with it. Usually the top things you'll see for ideas that people put in there, like mine, I put my social media contacts so that way people know where to find me if they click on my banner. Hopefully you found this video really helpful, and I'm going to try to bring you more Twitch quick tips in the future. If you guys have any suggestions, put a link in the description below and leave me a comment on how I can help you grow on any streaming platform out there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you all in the next stream support video coming up real soon. Take care all. Peace.